In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips if you're looking to make at least $5,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips if you're really serious about earning money online with affiliate marketing. And I mean, earning at least $5,000 per month. Something really important, guys, is that I'm going to be sharing with you the information, but if you do not implement it, you're not going to see any results, okay? So that's something that you need to understand and you need to be clear. Okay, I'm going to be revealing the tips, but you need to implement it. You need to take action. That's the key. There is a lot of people out there who are just watching YouTube video after YouTube video and they are not taking action. That's not going to change your life. Okay, I need to be clear on that. Another thing, guys, if you're really serious about this and you want to learn everything step by step, I'm going to be sharing with you a link below with my #1 recommendation to learn more about this. Okay, that's going to be the very first link in the description. Now let me share with you the 5 tips. The first one, okay, if you don't want to go wrong with affiliate marketing, is that you need to go and choose a profitable niche. Okay, there are different things that we can promote. Hundreds of thousands of companies out there are giving us the opportunity to be affiliate marketers, okay, including Amazon, Lego, Nike, you name it. A lot of companies out there are giving us the opportunity to be affiliate marketer, but I need to share with you guys what are considered the most profitable niches online, which are health, wealth, and relationships. The reason why these are really profitable is because people are looking to solve a problem. And if they are looking to solve a problem, they're going to be more willing to invest on the solution. Okay. By no means, I don't mean that you cannot do or earn money on any other niche. Actually, yes, you can. For example, if you like pets, let's say it's like you are a dog person, you can go ahead and you can be earning money. Okay. If you are someone who love video games, you can also go ahead and earn money with video games, but we need to be realistic. These are the most profitable niches, and you can know, I understand this by far, even if you go to the offline world. If there is someone who have some kind of health issue, they're gonna go to the doctor, and that doctor, because of the knowledge they have, they're gonna be charging more money. The same with the wealth industry. Okay, if you help someone who is having a financial struggle and they are looking for a way, and this can be different things. Okay, they're looking for a way in which they can purchase their first home, if they are looking for a way in which they can spend less hours working so they can have more quality time with their loved ones, they are gonna have a life-changing opportunity, and they are gonna be looking to have that kind of knowledge. Then same with relationships. If there is someone who is in love with another person, they're in a marriage, but right now they're living in the situation and they want to solve it, or they do have a kid, a child with a special need, they're gonna be finding that kind of information. So again, these are the most profitable niches online, but again, by no means that doesn't mean that there is no other way in which you can actually earn, or any other niche in which you can actually earn online. Okay, so remember, the very first step, choose a profitable niche. Okay, choose between these 3, which is the one that you really like. And I mean by like, is not all about the money. It's like, okay, I actually can spend time doing research in something on the relationship niche. Okay, because maybe people are like, hey, you're a good listener, you're giving me great advice, and because of this, I saved my marriage. Okay, so hey, your niche might be the relationship niche. Okay, because you spend time online doing research, you are able to share what you learn. So these are the the top 3 niches online. The second one is you need to choose a product or service that you believe in. Okay, this is an advice that I would love to hear when I get started. Okay, because there are so many opportunities out there, and this is what we have sometimes, something that we call the shiny object syndrome. This is, in my case, something that I was struggling for years, because I was jumping from opportunity to opportunity. Okay, rather than to stick with a product, in my case, that that I was getting results, that it was giving, and it actually gave me a transformation in my life. It helped me with my knowledge, and I truly believe in, because in my case, I was listening to people who were doing the same. They were jumping from product to product to product, and I wasn't stick to it. So this is something really important, guys. At the beginning, we have something that we call our core product, which is our main product. That doesn't mean that you cannot be promoting other things on the back end. And on the back end, I mean by doing email marketing. But this means that you need to find a product or service that you really believe, and that's the main product that you're going to be doing your marketing. And it needs to be related to the niche that you already choose. Okay, so these are something that are together, but this is something really important, and this is definitely an advice that I would love to listen when I was getting started. Most of the people are not getting the results that they deserve because they are jumping from thing to thing. Okay, they are not giving themselves the opportunity to be there long enough promoting something. And that's the reason why sometimes people are struggling. Okay, the third point here is going to be pick a traffic platform. Okay, but I mean a traffic platform, right now we have a lot of social networks. Okay, at the time recording these videos, we have TikTok, Instagram, we have Facebook, we have YouTube. Okay, you can also be blogging. There are people who are also writing articles on, third-party platforms like Medium, Quora. Okay, my suggestion is stick to a platform that you feel comfortable and that you can enjoy. Okay, I mean by enjoy, it's both ways. Okay, enjoy watching content and enjoy creating content. Chances are that right now you're like, Diana, I'm not sure if I'm going to be enjoying creating content, but if you enjoy consuming content, I'm pretty sure that you're going to be enjoying creating content. It's going to be hard at the beginning, I'm not going to lie to you, because it's going to be something new, but hey, you can do it. It's not going to be like the end of the world. Okay, but you need to find one that you really enjoy, because you need to stick to it. One mistake that I did at the beginning is the same. I was jumping from platform to platform. Okay, at the beginning, I started with Facebook. Okay, then I moved to YouTube. Then I tried to spend some time on Instagram. So my YouTube channel was struggling because I was spending time on Instagram. If you saw how I grow right now, you might be wondering, like, Diana, but I saw you on Instagram right now. I saw that you are on YouTube. Okay, so what do you mean? Like, I need to pick one and stick with it. It's because if you're like, okay, I know that I can be vlogging, I know that I can be creating a YouTube channel, but you are not consistent, okay, in any platform, you are not gonna get the results, and you're gonna get frustrated. And also it can be really hard if you try to do them all from the get-go. Okay, so choose one, stick to it, master it, enjoy creating content. Okay, right now there is a lot of people out there who are creating these short form videos, 5 to 7 second videos. That's okay, I ain't even doing that, but I also enjoy creating long form content, and I enjoy spend time and learn things on YouTube. So that's the reason why I decided to go ahead and spend time on YouTube. But maybe you're like, I don't want to be in front of camera, which I think I understand, it can be uncomfortable and weird by the time. Maybe you're like, I'm going to be creating a blog, I'm going to be blogging, I'm going to be creating blog posts on a daily basis. because you know you like to consume content, written content, and you like to write. Okay, is that the route that you want to go ahead and do it, but stick to it and understand that this is something that you're going to be doing at least for a year. Okay, I'm not telling you that you're going to be doing it for a month. I know a lot of people and there are a lot of people who are actually getting quick results, but understand that this is something that it can change your life, and you need to have, that, or actually you need to give yourself the opportunity, to stick to it. Okay, the fourth one is you need to keep learning. Okay, if you have the mindset about that, I know it all, and you are not getting the results that you want, it's because there is something that you're missing. It can be your mindset, it can be some skills. Okay, there is a missing piece, and there is something that you don't know, so you need to keep learning. And when you have that mindset that you know it all, you just stop growing. And trust me, guys, that's not a fun place to be. Okay, because you're going to be stuck, then you're going to start being frustrated, and you are going to be missing a lot of opportunities. And right now we are living in the world that it's, changing. It's the only consistent. So you need to keep learning. Okay, you need to understand that you need to keep learning. You are going to be, there is going to be something new. When I get started, back in 2018, TikTok wasn't around. Instagram didn't have the Instagram Reels. It was something like IGTV or something like that. Facebook didn't have the Facebook Reels. Snapchat was around and all this stuff. And that's something that you understand. Well, that you need to understand. I hope you will understand that you need to keep learning. And trust me, if you pick a niche and you enjoy, I'm pretty sure that that's something that you're going to be enjoying as well. Okay. And the last but not least is that you need to have a commitment. You need to have a commitment with yourself. You need to have a commitment with your success. You need to understand that in the long run, this is going to be worth it. Again, I know there is a lot of people who are having a quick success, but you don't know what they were doing before. Okay, chances are that they have been struggling for years or for months, or they just decided like, hey, you know what? I'm not getting the results that I want. I better go and I better invest on the training that is going to be helping me. Okay, again, guys, if you want to learn more about this, if you're really serious about this, please check the very first link in the description. Okay, there you're going to find a free ebook. So you're going to have more information about this. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.